Service in Boston has issued a flood warning for Washington County in Rhode Island, Western Newport County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, Southeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, Western Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain moving through Rhode Island. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour will cause significant flooding of urban areas, including streets, underpasses, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence,